వెల్కమ్ టు హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఇప్పటి వరకు మన ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఆంధ్ర మరియు తెలంగాణలో నెంబర్ 1 ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులు అందిస్తున్నటువంటి సంస్థ హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. అందిస్తున్న కోర్సులు గ్రూప్ 1, 2, 3, 4, ఎస్ఐ, కానిస్టేబుల్, ఆర్ఆర్బి. మరిన్ని వివరాలకు వెబ్సైట్ని సందర్శించండి. అలానే ఉచిత మెటీరియల్ కోసం మన యాప్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి.
Welcome to Harshit Institute. Today we are discussing about the most important events regarding our current affairs. First one is RIL becomes first Indian company to be valued at US dollars 150 billion. RIL. First of all, we are discussing about the RIL. RIL. What is meant by RIL? Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance Industries Limited. In rupees term, Mumbai-based Indian multinational company Reliance Industries Limited in this month, on June 2020, was valued at US dollars 150 billion following a rise in the share market. This also made RIL the first ever Indian company to achieve a market value of above Rs 11 lakh crores. This is the most important event. The positive growth in the share of the company was registered after it announced that the company has become net debt free, well ahead of its target of March 2021. So this is the recently it was happened. This is the first company. This is the first company for the first Indian company. It reached nearly 150 billion dollars in the share market. So this is in the news. It is also very important in our examination point of view. The next issue, heteros injectable Covifar gets DCGI approval for COVID-19 treatment. So heteros company, the injectable Covifar get for COVID-19 treatment. Okay, for the treatment of COVID-19 positive cases on 21st June 2020, Hyderabad-based pharmaceutical company Hetero Drugs. Now we are discussing about Hetero, H-E-T-E or Hetero Drugs. Hetero Drugs has received approval from the Drug Control General of India. This a department under CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, for manufacturing and marketing of antiviral drug remdesivir. So this is the most important event. Recently it was happened. So for the treatment of COVID-19 positive cases, on 21st June 2020, Hyderabad-based pharmaceutical company Hetero Drugs. It is a name based on Hyderabad. It was located in Hyderabad in Telangana. So it is a very famous drug company. Hetero Drugs has received approval from the Drug Control General of India. It is a department on CDSCO. CDSCO means Central Drugs Standard Control Organization. Okay. It is for the manufacturing and marketing of antiviral drug remdesivir. Next, brand name for marketing under the brand name Covifar. Brand name is Covifar. Covifar Heteropharmaceuticals. Covifar. Here, Heteropharmaceuticals generic version of remdesivir will be marketed in India. The drug is manufactured at the Hetero Company's Hyderabad facility, while active pharmaceutical integrants is being developed at Andhra Pradesh and Visakhapatnam also. So this is the most important event. Recently it was happened. Next, emergency funds to armed forces rupees 500 crores. Specialized mountain forces deployed at LAC. Once again, emergency funds to armed forces. Recently, the government of India released emergency funds to the armed forces. How much? That is 500 crores. 500 crores. That is for what? The specialized, for whom the specialized mountain forces deployed at LAC, line of actual control. Line of actual control. Next, following the violent Galwan Valley clash on 15th June 2020 and a 6-week long border standoff with the Chinese army under emergency requirement procurement of 500 crores of funds was granted by the government for the armed forces. This is a very important. Recently, the government of India released 500 crores to the armed forces. Those who are fighting, those who are facing some troubles with the Chinese army for them only in Galwan Valley areas. With consultation with the Department of Military Affairs, the Indian Armed Forces will be allowed to make a purchase of any weapon under the sanctioned amount. In this amount, in this 500 crores, the military persons, the military armed forces can be purchase any kind of weapons without prior permission of the central government. The weapon purchased under the sanctioned fund can be a new one that the armed forces feel they would require in case of war or a weapon that is short in inventory. So that is also most important. So the central government has released 500 crores to the Indian military officers. Next, Tripura government to start Play Little, Study Little. Play Little and Study Little scheme for 25th June. 25th June. The state government of Tripura has decided to start a scheme for school students from 25th June 2020. The scheme is named Ekto Kelo Ekto Pado. Here meaning play little, study little. The scheme will be implemented via SMS or WhatsApp. For students, those who have access to smartphone of their parents will be able to access the scheme through WhatsApp. For students having feature phones, they will be able to access through SMS. The objective of the scheme is to make sure that the students invest their time in studies during this time of uncertainty, as it could still take a couple of months for school to reopen due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So this is a very important issue. Tripura government recently started one program, one scheme. The scheme name is Play Little, Study Little. Play Little and Study Little. This was scheme will be launched from 25th June onwards. It's going to be start. The government of Tripura has decided to start a scheme for the school students. It is only for the school students. That is the scheme name is Play Little and Study Little scheme. This is also very important. The objective of the scheme is to make sure that students invest their time in studies during this time of uncertainty, as it could still take a couple of months for school to reopen due to COVID-19 pandemic. So it is very important. Next one is India becomes 12th largest holder of US government securities at April 2020 end. So India becomes 12th largest holder of US government securities, United States government securities at April 2020 end. Next, despite low returns, the treasury securities are of four types of bills, so notes, bonds, inflation, protected securities, whatever it may be. Next, in spite of the low returns, the treasury securities backed by the United States Treasury Department is one of the safest assets for any central bank around the world. It is very with US dollars 157.4 billion at the end of April 2020. India has become the 12th largest holder of United States government securities. India holding touched an all-time record high of US dollars 177.5 billion at the end of February 2020, but was reduced to US dollars 156.5 billion at the end of March 2020. This significant drop was due to the financial impact of the global COVID-19 pandemic. As economic uncertainties increased following lockdowns, the most countries across the world securities were sold by India in the month of March. Next. Happened, it was very important in our examination point of view. Job guarantee scheme for urban poor to be launched by Jharkhand government. This is also in our current affairs part. It is very important. Job guarantee scheme for urban poor, not the rural poor, urban poor, to be launched by Jharkhand government. Recently, it was launched by Jharkhand. The state government of Jharkhand is likely to become the second state after Kerala in the country to launch a job guarantee scheme that will be on the lines of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MNREGA. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. The scheme, unlike MNREGA, will focus on providing 100 days work for the unskilled workers living in the urban areas of the state. The scheme aimed to enhance the livelihood securities for the urban poor will be named Mukhyamantri Shramik. The name of this scheme is Mukhyamantri Shramik. Here the scheme is awaiting approval for the state cabinet. So this is a very important scheme. It was launched by Jharkhand government. It is waiting for approval of the state cabinet of Jharkhand government. Next, Ayankolli Urban Employment Guarantee Scheme, AUEGS. Ayankolli Urban Employment Guarantee Scheme is the 100 days employment guarantee scheme of the Kerala government for urban poor. So this is the second state. Which is the second state? The Jharkhand government. The Jharkhand state is the second state. It was implementing this kind of job guarantee scheme for the urban area people under the MNREGA, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. So first state is Kerala, second state is Jharkhand. Next one. The large scale fishing attack using COVID-19 as a bite alerts, CERT in the steal personal data of individuals and business across the country from 21st June 2020. Large scale phishing attack has been planned by malicious actors. This information asking the citizens to be cautious was issued by the nodal agency responsible to deal with a cyber attack threats in the country, the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team. Here, what is the meaning of this one? Here, first of all, in coming days, we will get more trouble with the computers, virus and computer bugs. Why? Because so many threats will be there in computer programming and some other computer issues. Why? Because they will ask the debit cards and credit cards and our data. Then they will take all our information. Then they will create some problems in our accounts and in our computer system and in our personal matters. So these are the most important events recently happened. These are the very important in our examination point of view. Okay. Thank you very much.